Well, good morning to you both. Well, there are some incredibly tight reporting restrictions around this case, but there are a few things that I can tell you. For example, the fact that Letby and her legal team launched this application all the way back in September of last year. That's against convictions for crimes committed while she worked here at the Countess of Chester Hospital. Now, last month that application was heard by a panel of 3 judges at the Court of Appeal, and over the course of the 2.5 days, those judges did come to a decision. However, they reserved the judgment, which means we didn't actually get to hear the decision that they had come to. However, that is what we're expecting to happen this morning, a short hearing at the Court of Appeal where we will learn the outcome of Letby's application. Now, there are essentially 3 different outcomes that we could get today. First of all, we could hear that Letby's application has been denied, and what that essentially would mean is that unless fresh evidence were to come to light, Letby would be at the end of her appeal process and she would be spending the rest of her life in prison. The second outcome is that it could be the application itself is approved, but then the appeal is denied. Now, what that would mean is that this particular appeal is denied, but that she and her legal team could approach the Supreme Court if they felt a point of law of general public importance did exist. Now, the final outcome that we could reach is that the application and the appeal were both approved, and what that could mean is essentially that her convictions were potentially overturned, and we are expecting the next hour to hear which of those 3 outcomes is the case. So if all goes ahead, we'll be bringing you all the latest here on GB News.
Okay, thank you, Sophie Reaper.